Hello guys, good morning, morning further, good afternoon, good evening, kung anong oras man yun napapanood ng video ko. Welcome back to my channel, to my video guys. So for today's video guys, just a small chat, kwentuhan lang, um, positive vibes. So yun guys, gusto ko lang mag-share ng mga bagay-bagay, medyo um, positive feeling tayo for today. Actually, papunta ako ngayon sa gym-gyman. So yun guys, tara guys, samahan nyo ako guys. And yun nga guys, welcome back to my channel, to my video. So for today's video guys, gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo ng positive vibes. I met this Panama National like 2 months ago. And sobrang yung pinag-usapan namin, yung mga advices niya sa akin about life really hit me. Like, sobra siyang tumatak, nagkaroon siya ng impact talaga sa akin. Though yung mga sinabi niya naman sa akin, yung mga advices niya sa akin is narinig ko na rin sa ibang tao, pero the way she delivered it, the way she conveyed the message, sobra siya nagkaroon ng impact sa akin. So yun nga, kasi nga we had the chance to have a short convo, short talks, and I actually shared with her my struggles, my frustrations, stress in work, in starting a life here in the US, and like she can relate with my story. Though she came here in the US when she was 6 years old, but she said that like living in a foreign country, starting a new life, working in a new environment is really overwhelming. It's really a totally new environment, especially for me, like a newbie. I am still on the stage or in a process of like still trying to figure out how to manage myself, how to start my life here in the US. So, sabi niya, mahirap talaga siya. And she said that every time you experience or you feel that you're overwhelmed, stressed out, and burnout, depressed, anxious, or even frustrated with your situation, just always find time to stay and to be positive. It's not an easy thing to do. Parang hindi talaga siya madali. Madali siyang sabihin na kailangan maging positive, pero syempre pag nandun ka na sa mga situation na ganyan, ang hirap maging positibo sa buhay, di ba? So yun. And she like stressed out that instead of using those negative words or having those negative thoughts, eliminate those negative words, stress, burnout, depressed, frustrated, anxious, but instead use the word, you are just being challenged, guys. Being challenged, all of this are temporary, and that these too shall pass. Yun ang talagang tumatak sa isip ko, na parang sabi ko nga, starting a new life here in the US, working as a USRN, it's inevitable that you will be feeling overwhelmed, burned out somehow, stressed, depressed, frustrated. Especially in my case, I haven't been working. I've been away from bedside for almost a decade. So it's like going back to basic, going back to scratch, like a neophyte, parang ganun. So it takes a lot of effort talaga. So, and it takes a lot of courage para maging nurse ulit, na matagal ko na siyang iniwanan, binitawan, parang ganun. So extra effort talaga siya. So yun. And gusto ko lang i-share, guys, kasi if you're my followers, or if you're one of my followers or subscribers of this channel, I've been speaking or mentioning a lot from my previous videos how anxious I was every time na mag-duty ako sa work, especially yung mga nagsisimula ako, sobrang anxious ako kasi personally ako yung tipo ng tao na may pagka-pessimistic. overthinker, OA talaga sa pag-overthink ng mga bagay-bagay. So, yun. And, yun, siguro, isi-share ko yung mga ginawa ko na kahit pa paano, ngayon, na nandito ako sa US for almost, more than 6 months na rin, na kahit pa paano, nagawan ko ng paraan na kahit pa paano malesen yung mga negative feelings na nararamdaman ko, mga negative thoughts. Number 1 na ginawa ko, guys, conscious effort talaga, nag-enroll ako sa gym. Well, aside from the fact na importante siya kasi for health, kasi syempre, it's our weapon, it's our armor, para makasurvive dito sa US, para makapag-deliver ka, para makapag-perform ka, makapag-work ka na maayos, kailangan mong maging healthy. Diba sabi nga nila, health is wealth. And aside from that, guys, it really helps a lot in my situation kasi when you're doing like physical activities, you're keeping yourself busy. Syempre alam natin na exercise, it releases a hormone called endorphins, di ba? And endorphins makes us happy, di ba? So, alam nyo guys, ano siya, hindi ko na namamalayan na parang yung anxiety ko every time na mag-duty ako. Katulad mamaya, mag-duty na naman ako. And take note, 4 nights in a row ako. So ngayon, parang hindi ako nakakaramdam na ng sobrang anxiety kasi na-manage ko na siya. Kasi nga siguro yung exercise talagang nakakatulong siya to help improve your mood. Parang ganon. So mas nagiging positive ka, yung outlook mo, yung perspective mo. So yun. And basta, try nyo guys, sobrang nakakatulong siya mag-exercise ka, or tumakbo ka lang, just do some physical activities. Kaysa nung humiga ka lang, humilata ka lang, di ba? So parang yun. Then number 2 guys, stay with positive people. Kasi yung positivity ng mga tao na yan, yung aura nila, yung vibes nila, na-attract mo yan eh. Na-absorb mo rin. So mas nagiging clearer yung vision mo, yung perspective mo, yung outlook mo, and yung purpose mo kung bakit ka nandito sa US, di ba? So, having said that, number 3, syempre, stay away from negative people. Kasi nga, again, na-attract mo yun, na-imbibe mo yung mga negativity na yan. So, we don't need those negative things, di ba? And number 4, guys, sobrang importante, guys, when you're feeling overwhelmed with what is happening around you, always go back to the basic, guys. Always pray, ask for help, ask for guidance. Sobrang powerful niya, guys. Kasi ako, guys, before talaga ako nakapunta before ako makarating dito sa US, I've been through a lot of struggles. May mga situations ako na pinagdaanan, sobrang challenge talaga yung faith ko, yung strength ko, yung courage ko. Alam mo yun, na magpatuloy sa pag-pursue ng sabihin na natin US dream. So yun, sobrang helpful talaga ng pagdadasal kasi ako, up until now, every time na mag-duty ako, every time na papasok ako sa unit namin, I always pray, I always ask for like guidance talaga, and sinasabi ko kay God na give me enough knowledge, wisdom, and yung critical thinking skills, sana ma-activate kung kinakailangan, help me to be a safe nurse, competent, and it's most especially help me to be effective when it comes to communicating with my patients, with the relatives of the patient, with my colleagues, and especially with the doctors, para yung healthcare ng pasyente maging smooth flowing ba, parang ganun. So yun, and sobra siya nag-work talaga for some reason. Talaga siyang parang may Holy Spirit talaga na sumasapi sa'yo. Wow, pa 700 club na tayo, diba? Parang ganun, pero guys, sobrang talaga yan. Sobrang helpful niya. And yun nga, if you're feeling like down, like you wanted to give up, you wanted to quit, to go back to where you're from, always go back to your goal, guys, and always look back dun sa mga struggles na ginawa mo or mga paghihirap na ginawa mo just to be here in the US. Diba? Yung mag-asikaso ng application for NCLEX exam, mag-review, maghanap ng oras para makapag-review, maipasa yung exam. Ang hirap na nun. And another thing, mag-exam ka na naman English exam, IELTS, na mas mahirap pa sa NCLEX, alam mo yun. Always go back dun sa mga dinaanan mong situation na yun para mahimas-masan ka na hindi mo basta-basta pwedeng i-give up tong US kasi ibang-iba ang US. Kasi ako kahit na nasa UAE na ako, maganda naman talaga yung buhay sa UAE, pero I chose to be here in the US kasi iba pa rin yung opportunity and pwedeng maibigay sa iyo na buhay ng US. And again guys, I'm reiterating this, that whenever you feel like overwhelmed, stressed, burned out, depressed, frustrated, anxious, just always find time or find ways to stay positive. And guys, from now on, eliminate those negative thoughts, negative words, depressed, anxiety, anxious, frustrated, stressed. But instead, just keep reminding yourself that you are just being challenged. These are all temporary, and that these too shall pass. Yun lang guys. So stay focused guys. Stay lang tayo sa goal natin. And lahat naman ng mga successful RN na nandito sa US, pinagdadaanan natin. So yun. So yun lang guys. And one more thing guys pala, bago ko makalimutan, i-add ko lang dun sa ginawa ko rin para mawala tong negative thoughts, negative feeling na to. Ano kasi, try to, if parang kung kaya nyo naman, kung malakas naman loob nyo, try to create also your own YouTube channel kasi it helps a lot guys, in my case. Or do some journal, isulat mo lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay mo para ma-event out mo lahat ng mga frustrations mo dun sa pag-journal, di ba? It helps actually guys. And sa YouTube kasi guys, nakakatuwa lang, hindi naman sa nakakatuwa, pero parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam na meron palang nakaka-relate sa story mo, na parang nababalidate yung pakiramdam mo, na hindi lang pala ikaw yung nag-go through dito sa challenge na to sa buhay mo, meron din palang ibang tao. So in a way, nagkakaroon ka ng support people, support group. And yun, na parang mas na-realize mo na, this feeling's normal, na lahat pala dumadaan sa ganito. And it's a case-to-case basis, it's a like person-to-person kung paano mo i-handle yung mga challenges na na-encounter mo. So yun lang guys, just stay positive at kaya natin to guys. Sabay-sabay tayo magiging successful dito sa US. So for more nursing adventures and interesting story guys, follow for more. Tara guys, dami ko na sinasabi. Samahan niyo ako, gym na tayo. Tara. So tara guys, hanapin natin si endorphins. Samahan niyo ako.